Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I baked and decorated my very first cake for my daughter's 1 year birthday. I've never baked a cake before. I had to bake this cake without eggs because my daughter is allergic to eggs and I wanted to make sure there wasn't any egg included in the process. I'm going to start by sieving my flour and baking soda. I added half teaspoon of baking soda and I'm going to add some nutmeg. I have my butter in a room temperature, so I'm just mixing it with my mixer. I'm adding 2 cups of condensed milk. I'm going to pour it inside my butter and I'm going to continue to mix it until I have the desired texture that I want. This mixer was inside the baking supply that I got from Amazon. The link will be in my description box. This baking supply has everything you need to bake a cake, especially if you're a beginner like me. Now I'm adding my dry ingredients, which is flour, baking soda, and nutmeg into the butter and condensed milk. And then I'm going to continue to mix. Added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and I'm going to pour it into the batter and continue to mix. Here I'm just showing you my baking pan. I use butter and flour to coat it so that it's going to be easy for me to take out the cake from the pan when it's ready. This baking pan was inside the baking supply that I got from Amazon as well. I'm pouring my cake batter into the baking pan. I'm actually baking 2 cakes today. My intention was to give her the smaller cake to smash, but she ended up smashing the big cake on the floor. Anyways, I preheated my oven and I have it on 350 degrees for 40 minutes. It wasn't ready in 40 minutes, so I put it back in the oven. So I would say the cake was in the oven for 45 minutes. I waited for the cake to cool down before removing it and placing it on this drying rack. I love the drying rack. It made it easy for my cake to dry. You see the cake came out so easily without any struggle and I love the color of the cake. It is like I think we're going to call it like golden brown. Now I'm making my icing. I used 2 ingredients, butter and condensed milk for my icing. Very simple, nothing too serious. I'm just going to mix the butter and condensed milk until I get the consistency that I want. I just brought out this strawberry from my freezer. It has started to melt and I'm going to blend it and make a strawberry puree with it for my cake filling. After blending the strawberries, I boiled it, added fresh lemon and powdered sugar. It was so yummy, yummy, yummy and tasty. I'm cutting the cake to make it 3 layers. I started by making a line around the cake for my guideline so that to be easy for me to cut it. After making my strawberry puree, I covered it and put it in the fridge. So this was the next day. It has thickened up a lot. I'm going to whip some whipping cream and add it to the puree for some extra something. You know, it's not every day we eat cake, so we need to make it worth the taste. Thumbs up if you agree with me. Now I'm going to add my cake filling. I added frosting on the cake board to secure the cake from moving. This is a strawberry and whipped cream. I'm just going to spread it on the cake. Then I'll add some frosting around the cake so that the strawberry filling will not leak out. I think this process is called frosting dam. I know, guys. I know you guys are wondering how I know all these terms. I did my research, girl. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I'm going to link some helpful YouTube videos so that you can, watch it. And hopefully this my video will help you as well. So please subscribe to my channel, share this video so you can also help other beginners like me. And I'm going to apply a very thin layer of frosting to the top and sides of the cake. So this will be my base for the final coating. The decorating is very simple. I use this tool that has sharp teeth. I think rough edges. I don't know how I'm gonna call this tool, but this is it anyways. I'm just, putting it on the cake and just using my turntable to scrape on it and just make this lovely, lovely textured design. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed baking this cake for my daughter's first birthday. I also decorated her backdrop. The theme was unicorn. As you can see, this cake was unicorn as well. So I did a unicorn backdrop. Please give this video a thumbs up if you think I did good on my very first cake baking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh no! Oh no, you mixed up! Yeah. Unicorn! Huh? Unicorn? Crying! Huh? Unicorn is crying. No, that's not what I want. No, I don't want unicorn to cry. No. No. No, I don't want unicorn to cry. Yeah.